In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to margin Robinhood. Margin on Robinhood means you're borrowing money from the broker to buy more stocks than your cash alone would allow. It can increase your buying power, but it also adds costs and risk. So let's walk through how to turn it on, how it works behind the scenes, how it's used during trades, and the key things to watch. First, you need to enable a margin account. Margin isn't automatically turned on for full borrowing. Open the Robinhood app, go to your account or main menu, tap Investing, then select Margin Investing. Follow the prompts to apply. Robinhood will review your eligibility, and you'll typically need at least $2,000 in account value along with approval. This review helps confirm you understand margin and meet the requirements before borrowing is allowed. Once you're approved, you'll see extra buying power in your account. Here's what that means. Imagine you have $2,000 in cash. With margin enabled, Robinhood may let you purchase more than $2,000 worth of stock by lending you the difference. The portion you borrow is called margin used, and your investments act as collateral for that loan. If the value of those investments moves, your available borrowing and risk change with it. Using margin in a trade is straightforward. There's no special switch to flip on each order. You place a buy order like normal. If your cash isn't enough to cover the purchase, Robinhood automatically taps margin for the rest. To monitor this, go to Account, then Investing, then Margin Investing, where you can see your margin used, your total buying power, and any interest that's being charged. Checking this page regularly helps you understand how much you're borrowing and what it's costing you. Speaking of costs, margin isn't free. You pay interest on the amount you borrow. The rate can change, and interest accrues daily based on your margin balance. Even if you hold a position only part of a month, that daily interest adds up, so factor it into your strategy and expected returns. Finally, the risks are real. Margin can boost gains, but it can also magnify losses, and you can lose more than you initially deposited. If your holdings drop too far, you may receive a margin call, which means you must deposit more funds or reduce positions. If you don't, Robinhood can sell your stocks automatically to cover the debt, potentially at unfavorable prices. A practical approach is to start small, keep an extra cash buffer, and watch your margin used in buying power closely so you're never caught off guard.